Okay, a particle passes through a fixed point O, and at a time t seconds after leaving O, its velocity is given by v equals to vcms minus 1 over vcm per second. Okay, or velocity per second is given by v equals to pt cube plus qt plus 6, where p and q are constants. It is also given that the distance scm from O at t equals to 2 is 16 cm, and the acceleration acm per second square is given by 32 cm per second square. Okay, now calculate the value of p and q, and b the velocity at the time when a equals to 0. Okay, let's write down the information that we have. So v equals to pt cube plus qt plus 6. Okay, now first thing first. Okay, fine, it is given that the scm from O. Okay, so I have to find what is s. Okay, s is distance or displacement. So displacement is basically integrating v dt. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to integrate pt cube plus q t plus 6, which will give us pt to the power of 4 over 4 plus qt square over 2 plus 6t plus c. Okay, don't forget plus c. Okay, and since the question tells you that time only starts after it leaves the point O, okay, so the particle at O t equals to 0, at O t equals to 0. So from there I can say t equals 0. If t equals 0, there's no distance, so c is also 0. Okay, so the equation that we have is s equal to pt to the power of 4 over 4 plus qt square over 2 plus 6t. Okay, so that is the equation that we have for distance. Okay, now the other question here is when t equals to 2, the particle has already covered a distance of 16 cm. When t equals to 2, the particle has already covered 16 cm. So s equals to 16. Okay, s equals to 16. Let's do this. Okay. So, yep, s equals to 16. So let's substitute the information that we have. So s16 equals to p, and t is over here is 2. So 2 to the power of 4 over 4 plus q, 2 square over 2 plus 6 times by 2. Okay, so that's 16. 16 equals to, that's 2 to the power, so that gives us just p. Yeah, 2 times 2 times 2. Yeah, so that is just p, and then plus 2q plus 12. So from there we can get so that is 4 equals to 2q plus p. Is that right? That should be 4p. Yeah. Okay, so it should be 4p. So 4. So basically what I have here is, okay, is this. So that should be, okay, so that's 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. 16 over 4, which is 4p. Okay, and then that's 16. And this is 2 square, which is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then that's 12. So let's solve this. So 16 minus 12 equals to 4p plus 2q. So 4 equals to 4p plus 2q. Simplify all of them, we get 2 equals to 2p plus q. So that's our first equation. Okay, 2 equals to 2p plus q. Okay, now we have first equation. Are there any other information that we have? Okay, if you look at it, the question says acceleration is 32 cm per second square. Okay, 32. So to find acceleration, we have to differentiate v. Okay, dv over dt, we get a. So let's differentiate v. So when I differentiate v, I'll get 3p square. Okay, 3pt square. Okay, 3pt square. Okay, yep. Okay, so 3pt square plus q. 3pt square plus q, that's it. Okay, so the information that we have from O at t equals to 2, the displacement is 16 and the acceleration. So I have to substitute t equals to 2. So 32 equals to 3p times 2 square plus q. So 32 equals to, that's 4 times 3, which is 12. So 12p plus q. And that's our second equation because I can't simplify anymore. Now let's solve equation 1 and 2. Okay, let's solve equation 1 and 2. I'll write it over here. So I have 32 equals to 12p plus q. That's equation 2. So solve that. So 32 minus 2, which is 30. 12p minus 2p, which is 10p. Q minus p, that's gone. So from there we know p equals to positive 3. Okay, quite straightforward. Now sub p into any of the equation to find what is q. So 2 plus 2p plus q, 2 plus, sorry, okay, so it should be 2 plus 2 equals to 2p plus q. So 2 equals to 2 times by 3 plus q. So 2 equals to 6 plus q. So q equals to negative 4. Okay, so we have this information already. Now I can sub that and then form an equation. So v equals to 3t cube and q equals to minus 4, so it should be negative 4t plus 6. Okay, so that is our v. Okay, now the next question, the velocity at the time when a equals to 0. The velocity when a equals to 0. So to find a, so we have to differentiate, but this time since we already have found what is p and q, so it'll be much easier. So a equals to 9t square minus 4. Okay, so the question here when a equals 0, so if you make it into 0, so what I have, so 9t square minus 4 equals 0. So so from there we can find that t square equals to 4 over 9, therefore t equals to 2 over 3. You can't have minus because time is not minus. Okay, remember that. Okay, now next information. The question here, the velocity at the time when a equals 0, t at the point of when t equals to 2 over 3, the acceleration is 0. So the question here, find the velocity. So all you have to do, just sub your value into the equation, velocity equation. So 2 over 3 cube minus 4 times by 2 over 3 plus 6, and that is 3 times by 8 over 27 minus 8 over 3 plus 6. So that will give me 8 over 9 minus 8 over 3 plus 6, which is 3, so that's 8 over 9 minus 24 over 9 plus 6, so that's minus, and the answer is 8 minus 5, 6 minus, and the answer is 38 over 9. Okay, 38/9 cm per second.